Sunlight shines on green leaves as the first spark of energy. Light travels through the leaf surface and hits tiny cells. These cells capture energy in special pigments. The bright rays power the process inside each plant. Without sunlight, no food-making step can begin. In every leaf, the green color comes from chlorophyll pigment. This pigment acts like a tiny solar panel. It traps specific light waves and turns them into energy packets. Chlorophyll lives inside cell structures called chloroplasts. These units make sure light gets used in the next stage. Roots reach deep into soil to draw up water and minerals. Water travels through plant tubes called xylem toward the leaves. Along the way, it carries nutrients and keeps cells firm. This moisture is essential for mixing with captured light. Without water, the process cannot move forward. Leaves have tiny openings called stomata on their undersides. These pores open to let in carbon dioxide from the air. Carbon dioxide gas travels inside and meets plant vessels. The leaf needs this gas to build its food molecules. Getting the gas is a key step in the sequence. Once light and water are inside, the light reaction begins in the chloroplast. In this phase, water molecules split apart and release electrons. Energy from trapped light converts to two helpers, ATP and NADPH. These helpers carry energy to build sugars later on. This reaction also produces oxygen as a byproduct. Next comes the Calvin cycle, also called the dark reaction. It does not need direct light, but uses ATP and NADPH to power each step. Carbon dioxide combines with other molecules to form a simple sugar. Each turn of the cycle makes more sugar in a steady rhythm. The process runs like a small factory inside every cell. The simple sugar created is called glucose, the main plant fuel. Glucose moves through tubes called phloem to reach all parts of the plant. It can also store as starch for use at night or during droughts. This sugar supports growth, repairs tissues, and feeds fruits or seeds. Plants depend on glucose for both energy and structure. A key gift of photosynthesis is oxygen released back into the air. Oxygen leaves through the same stomata used for gas intake. This clean air supports animals, humans, and other organisms that need to breathe. The process keeps our planet's atmosphere balanced and alive. Without plants, oxygen levels would fall. As plants turn sugar into new parts, they grow stronger roots and taller stems. Leaves expand and open to catch more sunlight each day. Some cells turn into wood or bark to provide support. Flowers and fruits develop when enough energy is stored. This growth cycle relies entirely on the steps of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis powers life beyond individual plants by linking whole ecosystems. Forests, grasslands, and farms all depend on this process for food chains. Herbivores eat plants and pass energy up to carnivores. Decomposers then break down dead parts, returning nutrients to the soil. The cycle continues, making life on Earth possible.